guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Stade 0. I'm joined by Gustavo.
Excess Tibo?
Yeah, sure.
Grand Tibo. Ngizwile abantu bazominya la manje bakhala ngama-piles Tibo.
Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi yini inkinga.
Yeah.
But Tibo man ungene egamini mfethu. Coaching is done here Tibo.
Yeah.
Coaching is done here all the way from Portugal Tibo. Players have arrived Tibo all the way from Portugal Tibo to do the job Tibo. Players have came from Colombia Tibo to do the job Tibo. Players from right here in South Africa Tibo are representing their nation Tibo. They are representing their teams Tibo.
Quality.
Ngabu khalelani?
Ayikho ngayikhalela.
Ayikho into ongayikhalela Tibo.
Ayikho ngayikhalela.
Yabona mfethu what I saw today is clear dominance from the team.
Yeah.
Clear good play from the team.
Yes.
What I like about this team Tibo is if you look at the best players, usually in Sundowns the best players are the midfielders.
Yes.
But in this new system that we are playing, the best players are the fullbacks Tibo.
Yeah.
Omutau no Aubrey, for me, they are the players of the season. Mamelodi Sundowns.
They are.
This season.
They are.
You know, you look at how they play. At times they offer the team width.
Yeah.
At times they offer the team. They come inside, they cut inside to Tibo to add numbers in the midfield.
Yeah.
You know, whereby the wingers they push to the wide areas to add the width.
Yeah.
You know, you look at the creativity that comes from the wide areas.
Sure.
That's how we plan to break some of these teams that play Amalo blocks Tibo.
Yeah.
If they are gonna play and they are gonna allow us to play in the wide areas.
Yeah.
Then we're going to do exactly that. If they're going to close the central channels, we're going to go wide or go over them.
Yeah,
you know, that's what you need to have. You know, I'm a player fan of Nuno. At most, one can say they are not Sundowns material, which is exactly what we needed. We do not need players which are Sundowns material.
Yeah.
We needed players that are in an element of our comfort zone, Tibo.
Are different.
Yeah. My player different.
Yeah.
You know, bringing about Nuno, you look at the ball that he played. I think today he created a high number of chances.
Yeah.
The balls he played in the defensive behind of his defense, Stade Milan Tibo, incredible. I think that's what we needed. Our strikers, both of them scored, which is what we need. We need strikers. That's our own form, especially if we're gonna chase the Pirates. We're gonna be in the race with the Pirates in the league.
Yeah.
You know, if we're gonna chase for this second star, Tibo.
Yeah.
That's what we need. We need both of our strikers scoring.
Ngoba umbuthumo uyakora li.
Ayisha kaMbuthuma Tibo mana ngifuna ukuyikhuluma. If you go to the teams Tibo, their top scorers are their midfielders. So indaba yama striker awangazi mabana ama striker orakhona orawekho. So angeke sicommente kangaka but unokhwinda lana ngizwa wathi amvulela icase. Ngizwa wathi amvulela icase.
Wena uthindile jwang bene.
Yeah, good.
Stella lama most wanted amile ngapha.
You are future team. You are future team. You are one day. Future team.
One sentence. Yeah.
It's a push.
It's incredible what we are seeing here. This team is not just representing Sundowns, they are representing South Africa. Them playing this competition is representing South Africa. Those who want to deny it, they can deny it, but we are not in denial. This team is representing South Africa. For as long as they continue to have this good run in the CAF Champions League, it means they are going to continue to have extra spots in the CAF competitions. You know, there were 4 teams earlier on, only one standing. You know, whenever they look at those teams, they say they are South African teams. So it's only Sundowns this year. We are gunning for the second star. We are coming for the second star. Semi-final is guaranteed, Tibo. Tomorrow and over the weekend, we are going to be watching which teams are playing, which teams are going to win in the CAF Champions League. But Al Ahly Esperance, we are prepared. This is the slaughterhouse. I hear other teams saying they have a slaughterhouse, but they lose their games at home. And name me a game that we have lost this season here. Name me a game that we lost at home here. Even last season, we won all our home games there.
You didn't lose to KZN.
I think it's been ukuluza ngeCape Town City ku 90 minutes.
Oh, last season. No, that's last season.
But 90 minutes we haven't lost.
Ku 90 minutes
Arsenal lost.
And you are KZN la.
uhlukanisa mamela uhlukanisa ama city ne ithwane le seloftazi la ngicela ucabange kahle uzomtshela ukuthi Casric winephi Brian.
But Vale Steve Mfethu, thanks to Amasandawana for coming out in numbers. That's what we need, Mfethu. This competition excites us, Steve. But Kwinda Mfethu, as the most talented, stay safe, good.
Thank you, Gustavo.